Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the most important parts of English grammar, subjective pronouns. With several objectives, test your grammar and learn new vocabulary. Lesson targets. 1. What is subjective pronouns? 2. List of subjective pronouns and common mistakes. 3. Practice and interaction. Subjective pronouns. Let's see exactly what they are. These words replace the subject noun in a sentence. For example, look at this sentence. Sarah is a doctor. Sarah works at a hospital. Here, we repeated Sarah twice, which doesn't sound natural. So what do? We use one of these words. Sarah is a doctor. Works at a hospital. Now, the second Sarah has been replaced. The list. I. You. He. She. It. We. They. Now, let's go through them one by one with examples. I am a student. You are my friend. He is my brother. She is her teacher. That is a cat. We are happy. They are my parents. These words always act as the subject of a sentence, meaning they perform the action. Comparison with nouns. Sometimes, people mistakenly use both a noun and one of these words together, but that's incorrect. For example, this sentence is wrong. Sarah, she is my sister. Because Sarah is already a noun, and the word replacing it is unnecessary. So we should only use one of them. Sarah is my sister. She is my sister. Common mistakes. Let's look at some common mistakes to avoid. Many people use he and she for objects and animals, but this is wrong. It is used for objects and animals, unless we want to talk about a specific animal whose gender we know. Sometimes instead of he and she they always use they. They are only correct when we are talking about one person or in cases where we do not want to specify the gender. Practice and interaction. Now it's your turn. I will give you some sentences, and you need to fill in the blanks with the correct word. "1 a.m. a teacher. I. 2 is my best friend. He. 3 are very kind. They. 4 is a beautiful cat. It. Write your answers in the comments. I will read and reply to them. 20 subject pronoun sentences. 1. I am learning English. 2. You are my best friend. 3. He plays football every weekend. 4. She is a great singer. 5. It is raining outside. 6. We love watching movies. 7. They are going to the park. 8. He has a new car. 9. She studies very hard for exams. 10. We are excited about the trip. 11. I wake up early every morning. 12. You look happy today. 13. He works in a big company. 14. She enjoys reading books. 15. It is a beautiful day. 16. We want to learn new things. 17. They travel a lot during summer. 18. I have a pet cat. 19. You speak English very well. 20. They are my classmates. Vocabulary. Doctor. Car. Rain. Sun. Apple. Home. So, in this video, we learned what these words are and how they replace nouns in sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, Please like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos. See you in the next video.